In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your notifications in PayPal. Whether you want fewer emails, more timely alerts on your phone, or tighter control over security messages, setting this up takes just a minute and can make your account a lot easier to manage. First, go to PayPal in your web browser and open your account. This will take you to your main dashboard. We'll work from the desktop site here because it gives you a clear view of all the notification options in one place. Next, click on Settings. You'll find the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear, near the top of the page. This area controls your account preferences, and it's where PayPal keeps the tools for notifications, privacy, and security. If you don't see the gear right away, make sure you're on the main account page, not inside a specific transaction. From Settings, select Notifications. This opens a dedicated section that groups alerts by category, such as security updates, payments received, money sent, reminders, and marketing. Each line typically lets you choose how you want to be notified, by email, mobile push, or text message, so you can tailor the experience to match how you prefer to stay informed. You can now start to manage your notifications. Go through each category and turn on the alerts you consider essential, and turn off the ones that create clutter. As a helpful guideline, it's a good idea to keep security notifications enabled. Those let you know about sign-ins, password changes, or unusual activity. If you regularly receive payments, keep payment received notifications on so you don't miss incoming money. For promotions and marketing, switch them off if you prefer a quieter inbox. If you enable text messages, confirm that your mobile number is up to date, and remember your carrier may apply standard messaging rates. For push notifications, make sure your device and app settings also allow alerts. If your phone blocks notifications, you won't see them, even if they're enabled on PayPal. Most changes save automatically as soon as you toggle them, but if you see a Save or Update button, click it to lock in your choices. Take a moment to review everything before you leave this page. A quick scan helps you catch anything you might have missed. That's it. You've customized your PayPal notifications so important messages reach you in the way that works best, and the noise stays out. You can return to the notifications section anytime to adjust your preferences as your needs change. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this walkthrough whenever you want to fine-tune your alerts.